Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Before we get started in today's video, don't forget to join our free Facebook community, get real answers to real credit questions, learn from some of the experts in our industry, as well as from other people that are in similar situations that are taking advantage of the free content, improving their credit and making their credit situation better. Hope to see you guys on the inside.
And we're back. Welcome back to the Credit Agents Talk Show. I'm Leslie, your host, and today we're going to be talking about 7 things you should do before you buy a car. I love car shopping, and I know what you're thinking. You don't love it. The reason why is because so many mistakes can be made here. You know what makes the situation so much worse is if the vehicle needs repair after you purchase it. So this video is going to help you avoid making those mistakes. The first thing you want to do is decide between purchasing and leasing. Now, if you're like me and want a new vehicle every 2 to 3 years, leasing is going to be a good option for you because a lot of times, depending on the credit score, you can get a really nice car for a pretty comfortable and low monthly payment. And with leasing, you won't have to worry about long-term maintenance on the vehicle. Now let's talk about new or used. When purchasing a new vehicle, typically you are going to pay the depreciation on that car. When purchasing a pre-owned, someone else has already paid the depreciation. So my recommendation would be figure out which make and model you want. When you know which car you want, go with that one and purchase a vehicle that has between 10 and 30,000 miles on it. Number 2, pick your car. Do your research on which make, model, price that you're in the market for, and then go to Kelley Blue Book, go to YouTube and check out the reviews on that vehicle. Then go out and test drive a few of them. Number 3, set a monthly payment cap. Take a look at your budget and see what you could realistically afford and do not go past that. Nowadays, when shopping for a vehicle, they have a payment calculator embedded on the website, so you can play with this to make sure that you stick within your monthly budget. Check your MyFICO scores. Go to myfico.com, subscribe to the $40 plan, and check those auto scores. If they are below 620, let me just encourage you to pay down all of your credit card balances to under 1%. You can recheck this in 30 days to make sure that your credit score is above a 620 for the auto scores. If not, I would encourage you not to finance anything with low FICO scores. Number 5, get pre-approved or do your shopping before going to the dealership. I'm going to keep this one short and sweet. Do your research on interest rate when purchasing a new or pre-owned car before you even start shopping. This over the long term can save you thousands. Number 6, negotiate in advance. I know most dealerships are probably going to hate this, but my recommendation would be contacting 2 dealerships and shopping for the best price. Make sure that all fees and add-ons are included in this deal, and if you're comfortable with it, go in to see the vehicle. Number 7, finalizing the deal. Avoid extras that you don't need. Only go to the dealership when you are 100% ready to finalize the deal. Let me encourage you to get gap insurance. Say that you purchase a vehicle that's worth $20,000 and God forbid that vehicle is totaled and the insurance comes back and says, hey, we're going to give you $15,000. Where do you think that other $5,000 comes from? It comes from you. So let me help you avoid that from happening and get gap insurance so they'll cover the difference. That is it for today. Thank you so much for joining us, and I'll see you next time.